Hello my dear kids, today we are going to see a theory of opposite colors. As we all know, primary colors are red, yellow and blue. Secondary colors are green, violet and orange. So you have to write this theory on a page and you have to draw neat lines. I have drawn 6 lines here. You have to write down this theory over there. The opposite colors are red and green. These are the opposite colors. Second is yellow and violet. These are the opposite colors. And third one is blue and orange. So these 3 sets are called as opposite colors. We have seen what are opposite colors. Now we will see opposite colors in nature. For this I have divided a page into 3 parts. 2 smaller parts, second one is a bigger one. So here we will draw an apple. As we know, red and green is called as opposite colors. This set is called as opposite colors. I'm drawing an apple. See, nature has all the beautiful colors. It's full of variety of colors. And if you observe it carefully, you can see the opposite color scheme in nature. And you can observe so many things and learn from nature. This is an apple. Now I am going to draw a flower which is called as pansy. It has got a yellow color and a shade of purple in it. So yellow and purple is again a set of opposite colors. I have drawn lines here. You have to draw lines and write down the colors neatly. And now I am going to draw a sea, or you can say water, and a sun. So here there will be a blue color and orange for sun. So orange and blue are opposite colors. So I am going to color it and we will border it, outline it with colorful sketch pen. So this is how it looks after coloring. Red and green, yellow and violet, orange and blue. So these are opposite colors in nature.